What's good, Gromies? Welcome back to wepop Gardening. We are back for a week 5 update. I'm in the Viva Sun 4x4 Pro Kit with those 200 watt Aero Lightwing LED lights they got. Got the smart controller over here. This thing's awesome. Gives you full control over the tent and the app. I did a video with it, which I will link in this video if y'all hadn't had an opportunity to check it out. I think it's cool. You guys should go to see it and get to know the availability of the control that you have over these tents with the app itself. Before we get into this video though, I want to make a mention. Appreciate y'all, all you new subs. I'm glad y'all are here. We are going to be doing a live giveaway on the 4th, 4/4. I'm gonna have some special guests stop by, other content creators to hang out and chill with us. Make sure you guys are there. I'm gonna predate it or put a video up or whatever, so you guys can notify yourselves to let you know when it's gonna be starting. But I want to get back to the community. Got all the sponsors involved. Viva Sun, Green Rush. We got Grow Peaceful throwing down to help you give back to you guys for all the love and everything you guys have been giving for all of us. So hope y'all are there. Come join us, hang out, chill, smoke, chat. It's gonna be a good time, I think. We don't have to do it all night, but I'm not setting expectations on it. I just want y'all there. So if you're new to the channel, sub up, smash that like for me, y'all. Share with your friends. We want to connect with more vets and stuff too. So come join us, hang out, learn. I mean, that's the whole point of all this. But anyway, I'm gonna get set up here, fam. Oh, sorry. I don't know if y'all noticed too. I finally got monetized. Not planning on shoving things down y'all's throat, but I want you guys to go check out the membership there. Got some cool things in there. You know, if you just want to help the channel out, show some love, obviously you can do that. Then there's a little more love, which gives you more perks to the channel, and I'm gonna start doing like member lives, member only giveaways, things of that nature. But I also want to let y'all know that there is a all the beans membership in there. I don't know if I need to say anymore, but anyway, if you feel like being involved 100%, check that one out. I'm gonna send out care packages every month, and I think you guys will like them. But anyway, I'm gonna get set up right here and we'll get into this. All right, fam, so as a lot of y'all commented on, we needed to tie her up, which I was way ahead of you, truth be told. Shortly after I recorded the last part of that video last week, I already started tying her down. Came in here and gave her some support. As y'all can see, buds are still stacking up pretty solid, and light seems to be about perfect height. Nothing's burning, nothing's frosting. I gotta tighten this one up a little bit here and pull this top back over, but I'll clip that one over here. Just pull this over, so that way she's standing up a little straight. But yeah, man, she's doing good, y'all. She took great to the default. I knew there was quite a bit of foliage down there with them littler ones, and they're starting to fill back in. So I think we're just all set, ready to roll to the end here. Get you guys up here so you can kind of see. Oh, sorry for the shakiness, y'all. Get you guys up here, let you get a peek back here. So like I said, she's filled back in a little bit, but the buds are stacking great. We're starting to get a little bit of color in them, a little bit of ambering coming through. So on some of them, not all, but like y'all can see, she's Frosty Mountain right here. This is gonna be a really good run. The smell on this is starting to come through already. Fragrance is awesome. It's that deep sativa smell so far. I'm sure it'll change up. I'm waiting for that Gorilla Glue to come through and start slapping me here. Pretty sure these are gonna be pretty rosinous as far as buds go. Juicy. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. But anyway, we just watered, made a little mess down here. No judgments, no judgments. Anyway, just fed it with the Green Rush, and did 4 gallons, put 15 teaspoons in there, mixed it up real good, added some of that Green Rush extract, the seaweed. Stuff's doing amazing, y'all. I like having control of that, so I don't know. I definitely recommend it. I know everybody's got their own, like, what they want and stuff. The stuff is I think it's absolutely epic. You can have control of your feed with an organic blend like that. Something I've long thought about. I'm glad I found them, came across them. I'm glad they're working with me. Anyway, if y'all need anything from over there, you're interested in running it, I'm gonna drop a link in the description. And obviously you guys can go save yourselves 10%, but no obligations, no obligations. She kind of looks funny with all them hangers in there, but she's turning out great, y'all. Stay tuned on this, and I'll be checking back in here in a couple days, let y'all see the progress and see where these fat little buds are stacking up to. The structure on these is epic, y'all. Look at this. Like, we are at day 32. Those are literally filling in amazing. Like, I wish y'all were here to see it. I know the camera doesn't do it all, but I'm trying, fam. I'm trying. What's good, everybody? How y'all doing? Stepping back in here, we are at day 39 since the flip. And good lord, fam. So these buds are stacking up beautifully. Haven't had to do much, so I haven't been doing a lot of recording on it. I don't want to bore y'all with it, but I know y'all are definitely looking to see what's going on in here. She is getting super frosty. Tomorrow's actually feed day, so I'm gonna stop back in here tomorrow and see what's going on. Get it fed up here, and as y'all can see, she's drying out down there. But you let it get pretty dry and then hit it. The smell on this, she's getting pungent, y'all. Buds are stacking. This fills in the rest of the way. Good lord, that's gonna be a beautiful nug, man. Structurally, she's still sound. I'm glad that I opened up the bottom, because the little stuff, the larpy stuff on the bottom side there, is actually turning into decent nugs. They still got a little bit of time, so we'll still get decent amount off those little guys. But man, she's frosting. Frosting good. I can't wait to give this a taste test, y'all. It's wafting the whole house when I crack the tin open here, just to give you guys an idea how intense the smell is coming off of her. But so far so good, running strong. We're starting to get the amber to come through here, and kind of looking forward to see how these buds are gonna actually like final out, you know what I mean? She's a solid plant, man. Little laggy, but definitely a beautiful plant. So anyway, fam, I'm gonna check out tonight here and get back in here. We'll get it fed up tomorrow and see what we can do. Everything's just kind of on autopilot right now. We're just playing the ripening game, so keep it moving on it and keep you guys posted. I'm just not gonna have as much recordings, a little shorter videos on them. but it's all good. Appreciate y'all as always, and we'll catch you next week on the update here. Peace.